Good morning, everybody. It is February 6th, Friday, 11 a.m. Eastern Time? Almost 11. And I thought I'd hop on the charts real quick, see what's going on. Excuse me. Yesterday, I didn't stream yesterday, wanted to just take a mental break. But I did try to trade a little bit and was seeing a lot of the same order processing lag on TradingView. I'd place the order and then it'd be like 5 to 10 seconds before I could even manage the order, even though it filled at the price that was current when I clicked market buy. So not exactly a fair situation, and just another reason why I was glad I didn't stream. Ooh, Asia London 442 last night. Yikes. But how much of that have we already recovered? Maybe this is our bottom. And we'll climb our way slowly out of here over the next week or so. This looks like a whole lot of indecision on the 1 hourly down here. Yeah, no kidding, raging. In our Discord, one of the guys in the Discord just said, well, price action seems to be back to manipulation. And I was just thinking, yep, there it is. We're already back to just yellow candles straight out of AM session. Hmm. Okay, taking care of some things. In the Discord. I mean, this is all kind of messy. Wicks up here. Try to make some of these hourly FVGs a little less bright. I can get a hold of them. Yep. Starting a new candle. And now we're back to that situation with indicators where my candle monitor has disappeared in the pane below. So to unhide it, yep, to unhide it, I'm now going to move it to a new pane below. Is it a new pane or existing pane? I can't remember. But one of these will unhide the other one that's already down there, but there's no way for me to retrieve it. Yeah, there we go. Notice how it's stacked this one. This one's still looking the way it's supposed to. Good times. A lot of little quirks in Trading View. Corporate says, I expect price will be nasty as they ran the YM all-time highs. So it looks like manipulation in all indices to distribute at the moment. Okay, thanks for the heads up. The price is just kind of wandering around, that might actually work out in my favor, because I'm not as good as some of you guys at the today's daily bias is this, or here are the two possible pools of liquidity, like that stuff just never really clicked with me. Where I think I'd get it figured out, and then I'd be wrong enough times that it would remove the edge. The edge would go away. So 30 seconds left on this candle. Surge up would be nice. Huh? Oh. I definitely don't want 30. 30 micros. Yikes. I'm going to go short here based on the fact that we did not just place through this leg on the 1 minute or on the 3 minute. If there's more than one contract, first target would be here because of this guy. And then the next target would be probably right here. Oh, wrong again. Close that out. Add in a little bit of music here. So we have closed a candle body above this prior high and this prior high. So now I'm interested in longs. And it's as simple as that. I know I could sit here and say, well, this could be the top because we're in an hourly fair value gap. We're going to come back down here. Gosh, excuse me. Just the allergies going on here. Add one here. What's going on here? We're gonna miss it, aren't we? We'll just turn this into one full mini 6 plus 10. I don't know if it'll come down here or will get filled, but we'll see. Targets. Let's look at some long wider targets. I don't know. I'm just not seeing much that I like. That's I would think is reliable. They've got this leg down with a lot of wicks here. 1, 2, 3 wicks holding that. You could, I could. What's happening? I could argue that it has nothing to do with that level and more to do with this fair value gap. Man, I'm telling you guys, TradingView is just being really funky. Yeah. So maybe back up into that fair value gap as a target. We can close above this down closed. Look for a small pullback. Oh, we got it. Okay. I don't think we have any cushion. 46. Yeah. I guess I can. Okay, I'm going to take 250. I feel myself sitting here wanting to get that 11,000 all in just one run, one trade, making up for daily loss limits from past, I don't know, one or two in the just last week. So, not a very good mental place to be. Just to try to stay focused on small bites. Going back to the 1 hour. I could see this being the end of this pattern. And if lower for longer is the plan, we'd probably see it happening right here. I don't know that we'd continue up into this older, slightly older bearish fair value gap. Okay, got a couple of trades set up here. Got a small fair value gap here that we might trade into. I know that's hard to see because of the bigger one we're in. Let me just hide it for a minute. So we got went one tick above our limit, but hasn't filled yet. I'm going to put some just in case stock in here. Nope. Nope, don't like it. That launch, I wanted that launch to just keep going up, not stalling out at the top of this wick. I was actually pretty lucky on my part to not get filled with that just then. So that's going to be our stop loss. This could be a test, like testing for appetite before they run higher. Yeah. Got this backwards. My mistake. Got 20 seconds left. This is not looking good for my idea. I may not be able to trade these conditions right now. Like, I feel like that's pretty reasonable. 265 up there, that prior high. But I mean, I'm already at 1, 2, 3. Get out of here. Okay, down 46, up 234, down 34. Down 82. It's like strike 3. Probably not going to get this set up in time. I've sized up to 3 minis right now. Kind of my old approach of I think I just call them turbo scalps. Because structure-wise, price isn't really doing anything I'm expecting it to do. What it is doing a whole lot of is just rolling back and forth over itself. So I'm just going to start trying to catch trades on the edges. See what happens. That one almost cooked us. 360, 234. I mean, that wipes that out. Plus another. Maybe it did. 761. 472. Close. Like price, just based on what it's doing. Like, we're going to stop here and go back down. Wrong again. I see your message there, corporate. I don't have the trading view tier that lets me look at 1 second or 5 second. Also, just the thought of needing to or wanting to look at those time frames kind of scares me as a way to read. conditions. Here we go. We're already like gonna whittle our way back out of the hole. Nope. I'm seeing this stuff after the fact, so 0 credit, but there's the order block. Order block made, wick tested, retested. Surely it's not going to happen again. That's why I thought that down here. Whatever. The purple gap above is another bearish fair value gap from February 4th. It's held 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got about 6 hourly candles that have visited. And this was kind of my next target higher if this one, which I deleted already or hid, got passed through. And technically it still hasn't. We've got 27 minutes left for it to come back down and close below this fair value gap. Yeah, that's one way to look at it. Just up there waiting to be, what does ICT say, rated? Might not get this in time. Could see a replay of earlier where we did this one test that I almost got filled on and then closed my long. See it right there, it was sitting there and I closed it and then price ran through it. So let's see. Let's see if it's just rinse and repeat. We'll just keep the most recent. So that was supposed to be a close at 105 and got 90. So some slippage. Still need a few more of those trades though to get back to break even, which would be 151,761. So we're down 200. I'm down 200. Bitcoin back up to 69,000. I just saw a tweet from Michael Saylor, and it said, "Let's go." I think overnight it hit 60,000. Is that right? 60,001 $. Yeah. Back to business. These next two trades could all happen pretty quickly, depending on what price action does up here. This is a quick scalp long, anticipating price to make an energetic move up into that midpoint of the fair value gap. "30 seconds in, and show me the real move." Which seems to be stalling out. So I don't like that. We're a few seconds away from back-to-back wicks that looks like pressure downward, while also holding this level. And until one of them clears, I don't really have a good indication of what I'd like to do. In fact, I'll move that back. Wicks, wicks, wicks. At 3 seconds, this guy's gonna close. Ooh, almost. Yep. I think we're gonna see it push up. 30 seconds left. About a nice move up. We got equal highs now. It's ridiculous. It looks like it's being pushed up though, so we'll see. Minus 90. Minus 150, minus 210. And there it is. Blown. I'm out of here. Have a great day, guys, and I'll see you whenever.